Okay, so how are you? How are you doing?
Audible to me.
I'm not audible.
Yes, now you are.
So how are you? How about you?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm
Good
doing
afternoon.
well. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What are you doing
Okay.
nowadays?
These days I'm doing as usual. Nothing special I can say.
Okay, so
What
what's your
about
name?
you?
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Suman.
Okay, Suman.
Okay,
So
so before diving into the conversation, let's know each other, then we can do further
yeah,
conversation.
yes, of course.
Yeah,
I
so
would
I would
like
love
to.
to know about you.
Yes, yes, of course, definitely. As you know that my name is Monica. I am from MP Gwalior, and if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors, and I am working as in a private institute as a teacher, and I am teaching English there, and it is a renowned actually job for me in KBS, and I am too excited. Before 1 year ago, I started this job. I applied in KBS, so I am happy to joining there, and I am satisfied with my work. And nowadays, I am enhancing my communication skills, confabulation, different YouTubers and people. I wanna explore more and more in my life. And 3 months, actually 4 months ago I started my channel, and uh, that's enough for me, and thank you so much for asking.
Wow, glad to know about you. You are an English teacher. Actually, my throat is not working well.
Oh,
My sound is not clear just because of I am having sore throat. Yeah.
so what
Okay.
about you,
So
ma'am?
let me tell you my introduction. Yes, so as you know, my name is Suman. I'm from Delhi. I'm a teacher. I teach at my home. I used to teach in an institute, but these days I am teaching at my home because I get enough student at my home. So that is the reason I don't want to join. I don't want to rejoin institute. And I teach primary student, and along with that, I teach beginner student for spoken purpose. That's pretty much about me.
Right. Okay, so how
Yeah.
have you
So
been
I forget
started?
to mention I'm also running a YouTube channel by the name of Learn English with Suman.
Okay, so how have you been started your YouTube journey?
It's been 1 year.
Okay. So, how is
Yes.
your experience on YouTube? What kind of stuff and content do you upload to your channel? Tell
Mm.
me something.
Uh, if I talk about experience, so I learned so many things uh, since then I started my channel, I can say. Along with that, uh, English, I learned so many things. Like I was not good at technology, but since then I started my channel, so I can say I got to learn, got to know so many things just because of my English, I must say. And yeah, and what did you ask? Another question?
Uh, that is the first question for you from my side. Okay, so your YouTube journey is started before 1 year, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
how much you have implement your English language, or this we can say this second language? How have you dived in this language, and what kind of things you have learned in your life?
Actually, literally tell you when I started my journey, that time I was not able to speak more than 15 minutes, I can say. And I must say, I started my journey from the scratch. I don't have courage to speak English in front of person, like especially video or in person. But I can say I achieved in 1 year. I can now face the people. I can spend time more than 1 hour without preparation. So this is, I can say, my achievement.
Okay, good. But we have to, we should do, but bit, not bit, a lot of work hard for getting success in our future or in our goals, right, Suman? So
Yes.
I have a one topic. If you want to share with you some points, some questions regarding that topic. So topic name is unemployment, and you are really aware of this topic. You know, unemployment in our India increasing or has increased day by day, you know. So what do you say about the unemployment? What are your opinions about the unemployment? What reasons behind of it, behind our Indians are not getting success in your future? They haven't got good opportunities, although they are very educated, they have a lot of degrees, but in spite of they are not getting their dreaming job. What is the reasons behind of it? Please share some views.
Okay, so I'm trying to my best, even though I didn't discuss so far this topic, but I will try my best. Okay, so according to my perceptions, it's uh, it's a huge, I can say, it's a huge impact just because of school. Because uh, in our school, just we get books knowledge. We are not getting a practically knowledge. So this is the first reason. Because usually I see in my surrounding, people are running behind the classes, books, but actual we are not getting whatever we want. As like you can see in your area as well, uh, there are so many English medium school, but if you go in that particular school, you can't see the even single uh, student only talk in English or teacher. They use usually Hindi. I can't say like ICIC board schools and but there are so many English medium school, but they are not using actually English. But if we get a job like 15,000, 20,000 rupees per month, so we definitely know how to speak. So this is the first reason which we are facing. And second things, along with the study, we have to aware another skills as well, because these days I can say uh, there is too much competitive, there is too much what should I say, compare uh,
Comparison, yeah.
in the, yeah,
And
comparison in the
competition is
exam.
increasing day by day. You know, competition
Yeah,
in the actually in technical, in the IT field, in teaching field, everywhere is fighting. Everywhere is competition in front of the people. So
exactly
they
right, you
are.
are snatched my word. Yeah, exactly right. Competition really very increased day by day.
And knowledge,
And
they have enough knowledge, but communication skills, public speaking, they are lacking because they have not consistency in your practice criteria, if I say. And if we are consistent, because it is my personal experience, last month I faced 4 or 5 interviews regarding teaching, because I want to change my job, and I want to next level. I want to reach on the next level. That's much. Because nowadays people what is the administration want from us, from people? Speaking knowledge. And half of our age has gone because we are collecting a lot of knowledge. Regularly, we are fighting ourselves, our spokens, our
Exactly right.
communication skills. So half of the people are remained for because of the communication skills. They have no good communications. They are hesitated in front of the people. That's why they are not selected any particular job. Because I faced two interviews in KBs and other branches. So there, if I talk about like my communication skills is good because I am continue with my journey 6 months. Since 6 months, I am continue with the month of October last 2025. I started this journey on my YouTube channel, and I am a bit satisfied also because I can see a lot of changes in my personality, right? And whether communication, whether school is provided your communications tools and services and resources or not, but you always tried your best to communicate everyone English to English. This is our duty. Whether it is there is no issue if someone not want to doesn't want to talk in English to you, but you always represent yourself as a good communicator. So this is the one of the impact of our administration. Because
Exactly right.
in three or fourth branch of KPS in my MP Gwalior, I faced interviews, and I have selected also because my name has come in my merit list, and they called me that ma'am, you have to join from the month of April. And because of only because of the communication skills I have selected. This is the truly I want to share with you, dear, because communication is very necessary nowadays. If you are fluent in English,
Okay.
if you are good and comfortable zone, you are expressing yourself nicely, so nobody can stop you to come to your dream. That is the truth, because this is my personal
Exactly right.
experience. That's why I'm sharing with you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you are exactly right. Communication and I can say first expression is the last expression people usually say, right?
Right.
So, as you mentioned, in our India, there are so many people, they have a they are full their own knowledge, but still they are lacking communication. So, this is a really true fact.
Or lackness of the technology. You are, me and you and many people are not aware of the technology, right? Technologies, how
Hmm.
can we use my laptop, how can we use tools, how can we use other devices, AI tools. So we have to learn all the things. That is one also another reason for unemployment, because people cannot learn, but only they want only job at a good skill, at a good salary package. But if you have no any command, no any like a practical knowledge, you don't have any kind of experience, how can you how can you get good job with a good package? So it is not possible. Firstly, this is my experience that in 2025 I started working on my communication as well as technology also. I started to learn my handle my laptop, handle the CP, like what kind of tools, small tools helps us a lot. Because I am from Hindi medium. I at that time, at my time, there is no computer knowledge, there is no PC, no laptop. So I am lacking. I have no idea. Since ABCD, I have to be learning everything, but now I am
Ex-
able to do much enough knowledge how can we maintain my channel, how we may make some thumbnails, new thumbnails for my channel. So I know enough, so I'm working more and more. daily on regularly. So I
Okay.
would say we have to prepare all the things, and we have to gain knowledge a lot from our channel, from different YouTubers, different kind of
Yeah,
field.
exactly right. So as you mentioned, you are also learning computer. So do you like revise each and everything by on your, or you are taking somewhere classes as well?
I didn't take any computer classes, but this is I never go any institute for learning computer or basic. But actually, in my school time, after passing the intermediate, at my home there is a PC, and my elder sister is good at this computer technology. So she always told me that you have to learn something new. So I always practice whenever I got time. I sat on my computer table, and here my at my home, PC is provided there. So I so many time I typed anything, any article, any paragraph, any essay or topic. So I started learning like 2000 after 2010. After 2010, I started learning PC tools, like how can we save our
Okay.
files, how can we create our tools, new folder, like things. So small things. My elder sister helped me a lot, and after finishing my education in 2013, I have done master B.Ed. I had done B.Ed in 2013. After that, I started my teaching job regularly. So my
In the
experience
school or in institute?
in institute, and there I hello, hello. Is there any issue?
Yeah, actually the power went out and my inverter is not working.
Oh,
So what should I do?
anyways,
Let me
but
sit outside.
okay.
Am I visible clearly or should I sit
Yes.
outside?
No, you are visible clear now, and there is no problem, no any issue. You can sit here
Okay,
and continue, please.
okay.
Yes. So you just tell me how could you please tell me some points. How could we remove unemployment from our India? Could you suggest me something and your opinion or thoughts?
Yes. I have one or two points how to remove unemployment, right? So we should not running just we should not running behind just the job. We should also learn skills, no matter what is the work. According to my perceptions, every work is equal. But these days, people want to just become engineer, teachers, doctors. So, as I already mentioned, in the market or in the I can say education system, really much competition. So we should also learn skills. Like there are so many skills we can uh, we can run our business. We can do so many things as like uh, for example, there are there are so many business like stitching and carpentering, and those have like lacking of education. I'm not talking about to everyone because those have good background, so they can do anything. But like especially 19 sorry sir 90 peoples are struggling, are facing this kind of problem. So they can start their business with the scratch, I can say. Like there are so many things: carpenting, vegetable, And tea stall, these days there are so many students also started tea stall, like B.Ed, B.Tech pass student
Yes,
also
right, right.
started own business. So I can say everyone consider every work is good. Just we have to set our mindset and we can do anything. So that's how we can remove unemployment. Otherwise, if we are running behind the job, so maybe we face issues because,
Yeah, we should
sorry, face
support.
difficulties.
Yeah, we should
Yeah,
support
face
small business
difficulties.
also. Small business and MSME is is a company like by the government, which helps a lot of small industries, small business who are seeker for opening your small scale business. So MSME always ready to help those people, right? And second thing
Yeah.
is that how can we remove the unemployment by creating more and more opportunities, whether whether uh, she has lack of knowledge, but we have uh, but government always said that highest merit list people are selected in the job. But why can lowest merit people do anything? They have also talent. They have also quality for something to do in their life. So why cannot we get them chances to improve themselves by creating small jobs or small business? So we should also always remember that nothing is small and nothing is big. Whatever the business is, whether it is small or it is big, it depends on your mindset totally. If we do
Yeah, exactly.
if we do today, if I talk about myself, if I do I am teaching first to fifth class primary section, for example. If I teach them properly, if my teaching method is appreciable by the administration, so next year they will get me more and more chances in their institute, right? And they promote me
Exactly.
higher level teaching. So it is
Mm-hmm.
also the solution of unemployment. If you are
Mm-hmm.
satisfied by their work, by their working experience, they get chance in their future also by label their best by reaching the top, right? So this is
Yeah.
also a good solution for unemployment, another than
Mm-hmm.
improving education skills and training. Okay. In
Mm,
there are a
exactly right.
lot of technology. This is the technology world or digital world era we are living, right? And everybody
Exactly.
wants to enhance their knowledge in every field. So we have to improve. It needs to improve our education system. Trainings also, we have to give some training. So this is also a good aspect of unemployment, removing the unemployment. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes, now you are audible.
Okay, video is stucking from your end, so
Okay.
yeah.
Now, okay.
Yes, it is okay now. Yeah, now fine.
Okay. So I must say I totally resonate with your point. As you mentioned, we should start from the scratch, or I can say whatever we know, just we have to start. We shouldn't wait for good things. Like whatever we have, so we should grab the opportunity. As you already mentioned, gave the example for primary teaching the primary student, and next year we should all absolutely selected by the administration. So yeah, you are exactly right. And next thing is we should give the 100%. Whatever we are doing, we should do with the whole responsibility, so people can automatically come to you.
Yes, if we do our best, we will trying our best in every field. Result will come. Definitely, result comes 100%. But
Mhm.
our efforts, we have to take a lot of efforts. We should try every day. We have to determine, we have to set our goal every day. Likewise, one day we will succeed. It there is no doubt. But we have to working hard diligently. We have to working hard because we are a human being. We also
Yeah.
repeated a lots of time. We faces failures because in my life this is my experience, 3 or 4 times I got failure to getting the government exam because this is my dream, that I get a government job in teaching field. But unfortunately, I didn't get the job because 2 or 3 times I cracked government exam somewhere. There is like एक्चुअली कुछ ना कुछ कमी रह जाती है, जैसे हमारी मेहनत में कमी रह जाती है. सो दिस इज द वन वन criteria also. So but after
Mhm.
2025 I realized that private sector is much better than working hard, and continuously you are doing your efforts, but your destiny, your luck is didn't want to you that you are selected in government job. So instead, this is better opportunity. We have to do work hard in the private sector, because in private sector we get good opportunities, we get a lot of experience also, and there is a lot of working do. So many things we can do by ourselves by asking the members of the teacher of our institute. This is a good experience according to me. So whether you find government job or not, because this is not a very easy task, I would say this is too difficult for the housewife.
Yes.
If you live in
Mhm.
joint family, you have 2 kids, so there is a lot of opportunities, but there
Mhm.
are plethoras options also, but you didn't
Yeah.
able to fulfill all the things because your
Yes.
plate is already
Right.
full. So it is bit difficult for you to getting the highest and accomplish your dream. It is too difficult. So
Yes.
that's why I have to
Exactly.
be chosen private sector, and I am satisfied with that. I'm satisfied,
Mhm.
and I'm
So
really very happy
I'm
with my
really
life.
excited to ask you, do you live in a joint family
Yes, yes, I live in joint family.
and you have 2 kids, right?
Yeah, both are son.
And
And
still you are taking offline classes in an institute, right?
yes, 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 yes. Only
So I can say,
1 year is completed and second year is started. I'm working in a private institute, and it is really a great experience for me also, because after getting married in 2018, I totally stopped my journey, my teaching career.
Mhm.
I totally stopped, and I thought when I will start my journey again, I will be very
Mhm.
perplexed, or always I have a bit anxiety that what should I do, what should I do. But after some
Mhm.
time, 5 years ago, after 5 years, I started again. Restarted my journey by
So
learning.
I must say you are doing great job and I really hats off you because I really appreciate your hard work, dedication because living in the joint family and handling 2 kids, it's not a easy task.
Right. Because
Hmm.
we are the human being, and we also tired and exhausted from all the working, all day we are working continuously, and 2 hours in a day we have to take rest. This is the compulsory.
Same likewise you. Same. Even though I don't go outside, but still I give my 2 hours at my home. So these 2 hours really very hectic because when you teach different classes at the same time, so I really feel exhausted after teaching them.
Hey,
So since
one
how
thing
long have you been teaching?
yeah, yeah, please repeat your
Yes,
question.
I'm asking since how long have you been teaching?
I have been teaching since 2025. Only 1 year is there completed, I told you. And before getting married, I had taught in a private schools, intermediate schools, or primary schools, 2010 to 2017. uh, that this is the journey for my before my marriage. And after getting married,
Okay.
yeah,
So
I
if you compare school and institute, which is better for you? Did you enjoy the school a lot? Like your work, enjoy your work, or do you love to uh, do in your institute?
actually, if
Which
I talk about,
area
yeah, yeah, there is a
Mhm.
lot, a big difference between the school and the institute, because I have experienced good experience at school life also, because I taught 8 years there before getting married. So that was my good experience, if I would say, because there my personality development grew up. And I would see myself now. I am very, very good. I have good command over my language, over my subject, because I taught their English totally. So 8 years there, I job 2000 from 2010 to 17. And this is the one fact also. If you are consistent, if you are regular in your job, so you have great experience, you have like 7 or 8 years experience you have, so it's means a lot. And if you are going to open your institute, your private institute, so though that knowledge working for you in your coming days, right, in your coming future, your previous knowledge always with you, right, your
Mhm.
previous experience always with you. जैसे एक छोटा बच्चा 3rd क्लास से 4th क्लास में आता है, तो उसका हमेशा प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस काम में आता है कि मैंने उस क्लास में ये चैप्टर
Yes.
पढ़ा था. लाइक वाइज
Mhm.
योर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस ऑलवेज विद यू एंड हेल्प्स यू अ लॉट.
Yeah, exactly right. As like we are speaking right now, so this is not only just 1 hour our hard working come out. It's been like our childhood also. Whatever we are speaking today, so it's include our childhood memories and the
Right.
journey, learning journey.
Yes, yes. 1 minute. My yes, son is calling me. No, ma'am. Hello.
Hello.
Now we have to call it a day because my kid has come in my room. So I have to wrap up the session. And nice to meet you.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you so much. I also thoroughly enjoyed our conversation. And thank you so much to giving your precious time.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. And please share the video after
Yes, yes,
downloading.
yes. I will share
Okay.
you in the evening.